let me show you how you can share your screen and record it, so you can share slides or PDF or some notes that you have in your computer. So in a Mac, what you can do is to use either QuickTime, or you can use a shortcut with Command Shift 5 to screen record. That means that you're going to record what you have in your screen. What you can do here is you can start a new screen recording, and then that will enable you to record whatever you are showing in your screen. It is super important to make sure that your microphone is enabled, so you can also have sound with it. Then after that's done, you would simply present your slides or your PDF as you would normally do. And yeah, the controls are the same. Here, for example, we're talking about randomness in pi. You can talk about the Monte Carlo method, and you can say a little description of how this helps us to compute pi. So we can say that if we do this experiment and drop some points into a circular region and a square region, then the number of points inside and the number of points outside can be used to compute pi in a random way. We can also talk about Buffon's needle, or we can talk about some number theory in here. Notice this nice feature that I have of my laser point, and that is just a feature from Google Slides. So here I click on pointer, and then that gives me this nice laser pointer that I can use. And another very important feature is captions. So whenever you click on this, that will generate an automatic transcription of what you're saying. So you can see at the bottom part of the screen, it's transcribing what I'm saying in real time. I don't need to use any external device for this. And the transcription is very good. It's probably 90% good. Again, if you take into account my accent and the mathematical terms, but I think it will be good enough for our students. So we have these nice features over here, and once we're done, as you would do, you will just exit your presentation, and then you can click to stop recording.